Molike A, B, Z, D, E, F, G, F. Oka moike said, Kurugoro go chinse. Kurugoro go chinse. Ani minute enoga to songo acronym okuri go Kurugoro go jan so many go to get emo. Una rawa mbandu ba ko represent ma Jesus. Present dia. Ali get Facebook ko na ali go post go ali go. Ni liota slogan ni ya ngoro ga chagu na ke guru. Slogan ni ga chagu na ke ta. One time. Awa sa ina ba digital no mata bali. Ono bali ke one time go Jesus. One time. Lagi mau coba apa tu? Apa tu? One time. Mula minute one WANTAM. Dua cincin sih yang coba tu. One time apa tu? Pas aku buat apa kan? Mau kambingnya tu. Sekali jeng amjus tengah exam. Lewat abang William Samoei Ruto nero W. Ataenda minute nyumbani 30 minute 2027 ni minute asubuhi na minute nga mapema tali nata Bwana style iba kubadilika acronym yo na wanda tamulike A B Z D E F G H mpaka Z tochaka bwana no mwanga ndirukuta jina gemini Students, pupils, listen. Naomba munipe nukuta asama. Naomba munipe roof. Nami niwape maana yake. And that would be A to Z of getting an E in your next exam. Haya tumeanza. Moko shout wakani. Wana wibo ni mwake. Betoko bugatra na wibo na wana tuanze baka bali. Inge nukuta. Sorry. Inge roof yeyo njemba eminingia. That's why I came here. Na ukishika hii umeenda. Haya tuanze. Moko kwa wakani nguvu ya muri kwa mbe kwa moyo timbo. Haya tuchaka on. Answer all questions on the paper immediately you receive it. Answer all questions on the paper that are needed to be answered immediately you receive the paper. Be neat and be organized. Cheating in an examination is a criminal offense. Don't dare. You will be arrested and your exam will be cancelled. Again. Do not, I repeat, do not panic. Do not panic. Examination is only coming to test your ability to move to the next level. In this case, moving from primary school to junior secondary school, or from junior secondary school to senior secondary school. Another one. Facts and answers must be marked properly on your answer sheet. Another one. G, God. I repeat, God. I repeat again. God is with you today as you revise your exam and the day you're going to do the exam. So it will teach you everything you have forgotten. It will remind you everything you have learned. It will bring it to your attention. And so you will get an E in whichever subject. H. Have a revision timetable between now and the time you are going to sit for your examination. Insist on going through your question paper after you are done. Jot down relevant facts before you mark. Jot down relevant answers before you mark on your answer sheet. Another one. Know the importance of time in every subject. Know the importance of time in every subject. Another one. Let the invigilator and the policeman assist you. I repeat. The policeman and the invigilator have not been sent here to threaten you. They have been sent here to assist you pass your exam. Hallelujah. Another one. And make sure you carry relevant materials to the examination room. Another one. Notes from the past papers are going to assist you revise well before the exam. Another one. Organize your work properly. Another one. Passing an examination requires confidence and courage. Another one. Quick thinking skills are needed in an examination room. Read and understand instructions properly. Another one. Sleep well at night before the examination. Don't go for cash. Another one. Try to answer even those hard questions. Another one. Understand what every question wants. Victory belongs to those who don't give up. Remember, quitters never win, and winners never quit. Another one. W. Write your name and your index number in all your papers. Another one. X. Put an X against those questions that you see are hard. You must always relax when you are doing your exam. Finally, zero in on easy questions first. If you do that, then you trust in God. Have your life. Mwaka kesho. Mwaka huu ni December.